EiToP presents one of its innovations in this demo. It is the refacing tool for grunt Prideco connection. The hard part about refacing such connection is that it has two ceiling faces, and to reface them you must actually keep the distance between both faces constant. In front of you is the part responsible to reface the box side of such connection. Let's first calibrate the distance between the two faces and to compare that to the same distance in the refacing tool using the attached depth gauge. As you can see, the two faces have been colored with yellow color to make sure that the two faces will be refaced successfully and evenly. The distance in our case for the XT39 is 114 mm. Let's compare that now with the distance between the two plates of refacing tool, and it is the same, as you can see. Try to make sure that the sand disk is covering the whole area of the two plates of the refacing tool to get a perfect result. Now let's install the tool on the pipe connection, which can be done at the beginning by hand, then to use the attached handle to secure the connection. There is a space between the refacing plate and the connection. Now we connect the high-speed grinder, which is recommended to be a heavy-duty 9-inch grinder. Now start the refacing process. Let's remove the connection by reversing the previous procedure. And as you can see, the two faces have been refaced successfully and evenly, noting that the yellow color have been removed totally and evenly. Now we will do the same demo with the pin side, and in front of you the part responsible to reface the pin side of such connection. Again, we shall calibrate the distance between the two faces and to compare that to the same distance in the refacing tool using the attached depth gauge. Once more, the two faces have been colored with yellow color to make sure that the two faces will be refaced successfully and evenly. The distance still 114 mm between the two faces in the pen side. Also, to compare that with the distance between the two plates of the refacing tool, and it is the same. Now we are going to install the tool on the pipe connection. However, it cannot be done by hand this time, obviously, and we shall use the handle from the beginning to secure the connection. Now, to connect the high-speed grinder, having a heavy-duty and high-speed grinder is the best in the case of refacing process. Now, to start the refacing process, exactly like what have been done in the box side. It's a bit heavier here on the pen side. However, the process is simple but needs some experience and of course a good tool with high quality and precision for sure. Now to remove the grinder, and then to remove the refacing tool using the handle, and you will see that the two faces have been refaced successfully and evenly, noting that the yellow color has been removed totally and evenly. Thanks for watching our demo.